You think about a girl 24 hours a day, visit her profile again and again, or message her all the time. But that girl does not even think about you. So, it is not the girl's fault. It is yours because you do not know how to control a girl's mind. But don't worry, you are lucky that you clicked on this video because after this video, that girl will think about you all the time. While eating, while drinking, before sleeping. But before that, understand one thing. The guys who make girls think about them constantly, who create that craving, that restlessness in a girl's mind, they're not doing it with their looks or their words. They're doing it with their energy, and more specifically, with the absence of reaction. Let me break that down. There's a specific type of energy that makes a girl's feminine side completely come alive. When your internal state is calm, when you're composed, grounded, not reacting to every little thing she does, something interesting happens to the girl in front of you. In that state, you stop being just another guy she's talking to. You become her biggest priority without even trying to be. Think about it this way. Imagine a gym with 10 guys working out. No girl has ever walked in there. One day a girl walks in. Every single guy reacts, heads turn, postures change. She can feel all 10 pairs of eyes following her around the room. Now imagine you're the one guy who doesn't react, who keeps doing exactly what he was doing before she walked in. Calm, focused, completely unbothered. What do you think happens in her mind? That one guy becomes the only interesting thing in the room to her, because everyone else was predictable. Everyone else confirmed exactly what she already expected. But you were different. And different creates curiosity, and curiosity is the beginning of craving. This trick is very useful, but if you do not use it properly, then instead of getting benefit, you may suffer loss. Now I want to be clear about it because I know some of you are already overthinking this. Being non-reactive doesn't mean being cold. It doesn't mean ignoring her or playing toxic games. What it means is that your emotional state isn't being controlled by her behavior. Her mood doesn't become your mood. Here's the truth most guys never figure out. Every girl, no matter how beautiful, no matter how many options she has, knows exactly how most guys are going to react to her. A guy gets her attention, and suddenly he's available at all times, texting back in 30 seconds. She's seen this pattern so many times, it's become completely boring. But when she can't predict you, when your reactions don't follow the script she already knows, something activates in her mind. A question opens up. Who is this person? Why is he different? Why doesn't he behave the way everyone else does around me? That open question is what keeps you in her head. Here's one of the most powerful things you can do to keep that question open. End the conversation first. I know that feels counterintuitive. When the energy is good, when she's laughing, when the conversation is flowing, every instinct says, keep going. But that instinct is what kills the craving. Think about this. A dog trainer once told me that if you want your dog to keep coming back to you on his own, you should leave before he's ready to leave. End the interaction before it's fully satisfied. And then watch what happens. He comes back again and again because something was always left open. The same psychology applies to conversations. End it at the peak. End it when the energy is still high, not when it's naturally wound down. Leave a thought incomplete. Leave a question unanswered. Leave something in her mind that she has to fill in herself. And here's the beautiful thing about imagination. Imagination always makes imperfect things perfect. When you leave a gap in what she knows about you, her imagination fills that gap with something better than reality. She starts building a version of you in her head that she's now emotionally invested in, and she becomes attached to that version before she even fully knows you. Now I will tell you how to become mysterious in front of a girl, but before that, subscribe to this channel for more valuable videos. Now let's talk about mystery. A lot of guys ask me, how do I become mysterious? They think it's some complicated thing they have to perform. It's not. Mystery is simply the result of not oversharing. When you tell someone everything in the first few conversations, your entire history, your feelings, your plans, there's nothing left to discover. People are only curious about things they haven't fully figured out yet. The moment she feels like she has you completely understood, the curiosity dies. And when curiosity dies, the craving dies with it. So keep things slightly concealed, not fake, not cold, just controlled. When she asks what you do, give a real but vague answer and redirect. She gets pieces of you, never the whole picture. And then there's the final part, the one very few guys ever master. Meet her on your terms. When she calls, you don't jump. When she says come, you consider whether you actually want to, not because you're playing games, but because a man of real value moves by choice, not by demand. That selective availability, that sense that your time and attention are genuinely limited because your life is genuinely full, is what makes every moment she gets with you feel rare. And the rare things are always valued more, always craved more. Be that man, not by pretending, but by actually building a life that makes you busy, actually developing a purpose that matters more to you than any one girl. Okay, after following the tricks in this video, she will think about you. But if your texting or social skills aren't good, forget about that girl. If you want to become a pro at texting, click on the right video. And if you want to improve your social skills, watch the video on the left. And don't forget to subscribe because you won't get a girl without me.